Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home appliances and accessories. Today, we're talking about the ICEPURE Da2900020B refrigerator water filter replacement, which is widely regarded as the best Samsung fridge filter on the market. Whether you have a Samsung, Kenmore, or other compatible refrigerator, this filter promises to deliver clean, pure water right from your fridge, ensuring you enjoy refreshing water and ice every time. The ICEPURE Da2900020B filter is designed to fit a wide range of Samsung and Kenmore refrigerators. It's compatible with popular models such as the Da2900020B, HOV-SYN, Express, and 469101, to name a few. What sets this filter apart is its impressive filtration capabilities. Made from 100% natural coconut shell activated carbon, it efficiently reduces chlorine, taste, and odor, while improving the overall quality of your drinking water. This means no more unpleasant flavors or odors, just fresh, clean water every time. But it's not just about removing bad tastes. This filter also tackles a variety of other contaminants. It helps reduce harmful substances such as lead, mercury, and volatile organic compounds, ensuring your water is not only cleaner but also safer for you and your family. It's certified by NSF, ANSI 42 and NSF, ANSI, CAN 372, which means it meets stringent quality standards for material safety and performance. This certification assures you that the filter is effective in reducing chlorine and other impurities, giving you peace of mind every time you fill up a glass. One of the standout features of the ICEPURE Da2900020B filter is its long-lasting performance. This pack of 4 filters provides great value, lasting up to 6 months each, depending on your water usage. So, you don't have to worry about replacing it frequently. Plus, installation is a breeze. With a simple twist and lock design, you can replace the old filter with a new one in just a few minutes, no tools required. Another benefit of this filter is that it's made with food-grade, BPA-free materials, making it a safe choice for your home. It's designed to meet high standards for both safety and performance, and it's also free of harmful chemicals like lead and BPA, ensuring that you're only getting the best water possible. At a price of $47.99 for the 4-pack, this is an excellent value, especially when you consider the high quality and performance you're getting. It's a perfect fit for families, busy professionals, or anyone who values clean, great-tasting water. Plus, with the convenience of home delivery from Amazon, getting this filter is simple and easy. To sum up, the ICEPURE Da2900020B refrigerator water filter replacement offers exceptional filtration, a long lifespan, and ease of use, all at an affordable price. If you own a Samsung or Kenmore refrigerator and want to enjoy the best tasting water, this is the filter you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the best products out there.